In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your user ID on Turbotax. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Turbotax website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. Now enter your current login credentials to access your Turbotax account. If you've forgotten your user ID or password, Turbotax provides recovery options directly on the sign-in page to help you regain access. After successfully signing in, you'll arrive at your Turbotax home dashboard. From here, locate the Intuit account option and click on it. This section allows you to manage your personal account details, security preferences, and sign-in information. Next, navigate to the Sign In and Security section. Inside this area, you'll find settings related to your account login, including your password, email address, and user ID. Now look for the User ID option and click on it. Turbotax will allow you to edit your existing user ID and replace it with a new one. Choose a user ID that's easy to remember but still secure and unique. Make sure it follows any character or formatting requirements shown on the screen. After entering your new user ID, save the changes. Once everything is updated, it's a good idea to sign out of your account and then sign back in using your new user ID to confirm the changes were successful. Keeping your account details updated helps improve account security and makes signing in easier in the future. And that's it. Thanks for watching.